Hollyland for a better view. Yes, that's what we'll be talking about on our today's How To Wednesday. Now, today we take a look at the Hollyland Cosmo 1200. As you can see in front of us, we already have the unit out. We have our transmitter right here. We have our receiver. We have our antennas, 2 mushroom antennas, and we have other 8 of them right here. Now, today we are just going to use 7 of them. The other one is just an extra one, just in case. You never know. We have a USB cable, and we have a D-tap cable. We have headbox batteries, which will be powering the devices. And we have a Hollyland Cosmo 1200 suitcase right here. Yeah. So, Yasin?
Okay, for the connection, I'm going to remove the caps which protect the antenna ports from any dust or breakage.
Yeah.
For the transmitter, it has only 2 ports, so I'm going to take 2 of the antennas and screw them on top. While Mary is connecting the other antennas to the receiver, how many ports does it have?
It has 5.
And the antennas are flexible. You can just bend them to any direction. Let me talk about the transmitter. The transmitter has an SDI in and a SDI loop out. It also has an HDMI in and a USB for software updates. It has the menu button and the scroll keys just in front here. It has a power switch. It has a stereo in port, and it has power port if you're using the D-tap port or direct power. The last thing, it has a V-mount plate behind it if you're powering it using a V-mount battery. As we have the headbox NP F970, which you're going to use to power it, and the Nero S, which is going to use to power the receiver. On the receiver side, we have a V-mount battery plate behind it, and we have an extension port for the V-mount if you want to power the camera using the same battery. On the side, we have an SDI 1 and out, which they output the feed from the transmitter. We have a HDMI output for also outputting the feed. We have a USB port for software upgrade. We have the menu button just in the middle and the toggle buttons to scroll either up and down. We have the we have the power switch over here, and we have a power port which you can use the D-tap cable or direct power. So now I'm going to power the devices using the batteries. So I'm going to take the NPF battery, which is going to power the transmitter, and the Nero S, which is going to power the receiver. So as you can see, the batteries, it has 2 holes just beneath it, and here when I just press this, you can see there are two wires, just copper wires for contact. So I'm going to align the battery on top here and just slide it down until there is a click like that. On the receiver, Mary is going to just slide in the battery until you hear a click. Now we're going to turn on the devices and see how they pair using the switch just at the side. As you can see on the LCD screen, it's showing that there is no feed.
No video.
Because we have not input any video feed. But on top here, on the status bar of the network, you can see the bar is full, meaning that it's ready to pair. When you want to release the battery, there is a knob on top of the V-mount plate, of the plate, sorry, not the V-mount. You just press it, then you slide the battery up. So this is how to release the battery. For the V mount, there is
Switch it off.
you switch it off first. Then there is a button here on the side. You just press. Is it here? Then you just slide the battery out. Yeah.
So it looks like our device right here is asking me to high five it. So here you go. Now that was it from us today. Remember, to purchase this product or any other product, you can visit our website at www.highwayav.co.ke.
You can also visit our shops at South V Trans Towers, just behind Kenya Institute of Mass Communication.
Yeah, we've been your hosts, Yasin and Mary. Until next time with another product. Bye.